Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2022. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset the default Adobe After Effects preferences. This is a troubleshooting tip. So if you are experiencing technical difficulties with After Effects, maybe things are acting kind of funny or not acting the way they should or the way they used to, and you're not sure what is going on, sometimes resetting the preferences may solve the problem. To reset to the default Adobe After Effects preferences, the first thing you need to do is quit or close down Adobe After Effects. Then before you open it, on a Mac, you're going to press the Shift key, the Option key, and the Command key. So there's three keys. If you're on Windows, that's going to be Shift, Alt, Control. With those three keys pressed, you're going to then click on the Adobe After Effects application to open. So my hands are on the keyboard, I'm going to click. Then I get this dialog box. Are you sure you want to delete the preference file? Okay. Then Adobe After Effects is going to open up with the default preferences, and hopefully that fixes your problem. And a couple of maybe obvious things to point out, since you're resetting to the default preferences, any customizations you made before, for example, hiding this home screen, you're just going to need to go back into preferences and redo any of those customizations that you had before you did this reset. One thing to be aware of, after resetting your After Effects preferences, the composition setting presets will also be reset. So if you had a lot of custom presets and sizes that you like to use, you'll want to make a note of those before you reset the preferences so you can easily recreate them after you reset the preferences. Any animation user presets, those will be unaffected by resetting the preferences. Those will all still be there. Also custom workspaces, any custom workspaces that you created, those will not be changed after you reset the preferences. The main thing you want to do is go up to After Effects, Preferences, and just go through these menus. Any changes that you had made previously, you'll just want to redo those. So hopefully resetting the preferences fixed any quirky or weird behaviors that you were having, and if you really are still having trouble, you may consider uninstalling and reinstalling. So just open up the Adobe Creative Cloud app, locate After Effects, click on the three little dots or the ellipsis, select Uninstall, let Adobe After Effects uninstall, restart your computer, then reinstall it, and hopefully you're good to go. That is your quick tip in Adobe After Effects CC 2022. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.